It's springtime.
You can use Medina Soil Activator, you can use Grow and Green or Haster Grow any time of the year. The best time is to use them when the soil is moister and when it's cooler. If you're trying to encourage the microbial population in the soil, you have to have moisture. Typically that's early spring and late fall.
Medina Soil Activator is the original biological activator for the soil, called yogurt for the soil by many natural gardening experts since it stimulates beneficial organisms in the soil. You'll notice a healthier, stronger root system because it actually loosens and balances the soil. It's excellent for revitalizing tired, overworked lawns and gardens. Medina molasses provides a natural food source for the indigenous microbial populations in the soil. It is recommended for all types of plants, crops, and turf. Molasses is compatible with most natural biological soil stimulators. Haster Grow Plant is 3 products in 1. It contains high-quality plant food complexed with humic and fulvic acids, Medina Soil Activator to stimulate biological activity, and seaweed extracts and sugars to stimulate fruiting and blooming. Medina Grow and Green is an organic fertilizer for all your gardening needs. It's derived from pasteurized poultry manure. Grow and Green will green up your lawn quickly, and it is pasteurized for stability and odor reduction.